Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Anonymous Team and it's a pleasure to bring you this episode. Okay, so I hope you love the setup. It looks very professional. And so as not to keep you guys, let's go straight to what has brought me here. So today I'm actually going to be teaching you guys what to watch out for, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and forex trading, but more so on cryptocurrency trading. So I'm going to give you a few points here and there, especially for beginners, people who are going into cryptocurrency or crypto trading, or people who are new to everything concerning crypto. So number one, what you need to know when you want to invest in cryptocurrency, or rather cryptocurrencies, is number one, you need to have a strategy for crypto trading. Okay, so what happens is that nowadays, as most of you have been seeing from my previous videos, a lot of people are falling subject to scams. So for you not to fall victim to these scam websites, you need to have a strategy on crypto trading. And what can you look what should you look out for, so as not to fall um, into scams? Number one, okay, identifying legit and scam sites is not as easy. It's easier said than done. But number one, scam sites offer too good to be true deals. Okay, so number one, if the deals are too good to be true, please stay away from those types of websites. Those are definitely scams. As you saw in two of my previous videos, not necessarily no previous, but if you go back in time and watch some of my videos, you'll notice that I posted two videos regarding a website called Free Mining Club. So Free Mining Club offers, basically they mine for you Bitcoin, and for you to withdraw a Bitcoin of worth 0.001 Bitcoin, you have to first they say it's free. So, but for you to withdraw the Bitcoin, they ask you for money. Okay, so I was like, okay, or rather, they ask you to deposit some Bitcoin, yeah, for you to be able to withdraw. It's actually 0.05 BTC. So for you to be able to withdraw the 0.05 BTC, you need to deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin. So I was like, okay, yeah, you need to deposit 0.01 BTC for you to withdraw the 0.05 BTC. So for me, I was like, okay, if that is the case, then why don't you just deduct the if you're calling the 0.01 BTC service margin, then why don't you withdraw, or rather deduct the 0.01 BTC from the 0.05 that you've already mined for me? Okay, yeah, so definitely watch out for those types of scam websites that offer too good to be true deals. Secondly, I'll also refer you back to my other videos. Go back in time and watch some of my videos. If you want to identify legit trading sites, you can Google any scam identifier site. There's Scam Advisor. Definitely, you can just copy the link, paste it there, and you'll get the results, and you'll know whether that type of website is legit or not. Secondly, if you do manage to get a legitimate, yes, if you do manage to get a legitimate trading crypto site, um, and you're well into the beginner stage of trading, you need to learn how to manage your risks. So that's the second point. The first point was um, have a trading strategy. The second point is you need to learn how to manage your risk. This is what I'm saying. Number one, to manage risk means Invest only what you can afford to lose when it comes to forex and crypto trading. I repeat, invest only what you can afford to lose when it comes to crypto and forex trading. Number two, I didn't forget. I'm just carried away. So number two, when you finally invest, for example, I am Kenyan. Yeah, I'm actually Kenyan, and let's say I, or rather, the first investment that I ever made was 1,000 Kenyan shillings. So that's about $10, and I used to place trades of $1. And I used to have what do you call it? There's this name that it's called um, or rather I forget the name. A stop loss. Yes, I used to have a stop loss. So out of $10 in a day, if I place $1, let's say I gain. I was trading euro versus the USD, and I gain like 80%. That's I'm going to get like 11 dollars and 80 cents. And let's say I place another dollar and I lose, and I place another dollar. If I lose three times, if I lose all the way to seven was my stop loss. Yeah, so 3% of my investment was my stop loss. And you also need to have like profit. A stop profit, if the name makes sense. A stop profit, in that when you place what do you call it, when you place trade and you reach to a certain amount of profit, you stop, regardless of how good you're doing. Don't be tempted to continue, okay? Because chances, whenever you're trading, losses are sure. Losses are sure, just as profits are sure. So if you so for me, my stop loss is always 3% of my investment, and also 3% and stop profit of okay. So a euro exchange, rather, euro trades are quite tricky because sometimes you'll get like 80% profit and stuff, but you need to have like a 10% stop profit, 3 to 10% stop profit, because profits are always higher depending on the exchanges that you're trading against. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, please go to the comment section and I'll be able to clarify more. So that was the second point. Please learn how to manage your risks. The third one is diversify. Okay, diversify your crypto and forex portfolio, rather. So most people, especially beginners, only think that you can only trade on Bitcoin and Ethereum when it comes to cryptocurrency, and also some beginners believe that you can only trade against the euro versus the USD when it comes to forex exchange. That cannot be further from the truth. Please do your research. There are so many cryptocurrencies. There are DeFi, there's Cake, um, there's USDT, BUSD, so many cryptocurrencies in the market. So definitely do your research, do your thorough research, and diversify your portfolio, so that if because crypto is very very volatile. Both crypto and forex are very very volatile. So do your research and diversify your portfolio, so that you don't incur a lot of losses putting your eggs in one basket. The second one, just like in every investment, don't go into crypto um, for the short term. If you're investing, make sure you do it for the long term. Just like any business, at first, it's not going to be easy at first. Nothing is ever easy at first. So definitely be in it for the long term. Learn as much as you can. Watch as many trading videos as you can. Read as many articles, books as you can. Just get to be a student of the game, and with time you get to make progress. Always look at it in this way. if you're a beginner, you've never traded before, just try to learn as much as you can for about 3 to 6 months, and after about 6 months, then invest an amount that you can afford to lose. Get to learn, okay, through another 6 or even 1 year, and then within 5 years you're going to be a pro. Every investment, always look at every investment for the long term, okay? Yes, sir. Now, the third one is a little bit controversial. So, trading bots. A lot of people believe that um, you can use trading bots to place your trades, but they are more or less scams, okay? To say the least, they are more or less scams. So you really need to be careful with trading bots. And if you're a beginner in crypto trading, try to avoid trading bots. I personally know that the least amount you can trade with trading bots is around two, is it 200 or that 2000 US dollars. Yes, I'm going to convert it in USD. Then everybody else watching from all of the viewers all over the world, you can convert the 2000 US dollars to your currency. So yeah, so if you want to invest trading bots, you need to have at least a minimum of 2000 US dollars in your wallet, bit a bit. So it can be Bitcoin or other USDT or even Ethereum. But the best trading bots work against Bitcoin and USDT. So you can have a USDT of about 2000, yes, 2000 USDT, because USDT is a mirror of the US dollar. So 2000 USDT, convert it to your currency, and then you can trade it against the Bitcoin. So that works with trading bots, but for beginners, don't try that, okay? This is for experienced traders. Yes, now, in the next video, I'm actually going to tell you guys about common mistakes people make, especially when it comes to crypto. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen, viewers all over the world. Please try to internalize all of that. I hope you like my setup. It's a bit different from what you're used to seeing me. Yes, so definitely like, share, and subscribe. Remember, I have a main. I actually have a main, or rather, my company YouTube channel, which is called Mobit Media. I've not been posting on that channel for the last 1 month, or rather 2 weeks or 3 weeks or so, due to 2 copyright strikes I received from one of our local YouTubers. So I'm a bit wary on that, because it's two strikes. If I get one more strike, then the account gets suspended. So I'm trying to use this as a backup. So you guys are normally used to me posting about crypto scams and sports betting tips and videos on this channel. However, in the next few weeks, you can expect a variety of videos as I wait for the two strikes to be removed from my main channel, and then I can go back posting all the other stuff that I post on that other channel. So yes sir, watu wangu wa mtaani, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yes sir.